Hey everybody, this is Lisa with Coffingirlnails. Welcome to the video. So I'm just gonna totally freestyle today. This is gonna be just something fun, and I enjoyed it a lot. I absolutely love blinging out some just nail art, and you know, I am learning, so it gives me a chance to see what goes with what looks too busy, what isn't busy enough, you know, what color combinations look good. Never ever be afraid to try something new. I mean, you know, worst thing is it doesn't work out, you try something different next time. You know, nails are not forever, so that's kind of a good thing to remember when you are playing with all this art. Thank you guys for joining the video. If you don't mind, take a moment, like, subscribe, click that notification bell. When you guys like and subscribe, that allows me to be able to keep making content for you guys. Be sure and comment below whatever you guys want to learn, or what you want me to try, or what you want to see. I love doing nails. I'm new at it. If you guys have any kind of advice, I am totally willing to learn something new myself. I'm learning challenges. I mean, everything's great. So just comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you guys for watching. I'm not going to talk through the whole video. I am still kind of, you know, getting over a little bit of a cold, and I'm sure you guys don't want to hear me cough through the whole video. So, welcome to the video and enjoy the show.
Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I want to taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep. You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess.